In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple projects in Monday.com with a fantastic new feature introduced in 2025. Managing several projects can sometimes feel overwhelming, but with the right tools and techniques, it becomes a streamlined process. So let's dive into how you can make the most of Monday.com's latest updates to manage your projects more effectively. First, to maintain clarity and structure, it's essential to create separate boards for each of your projects on Monday.com. Each project, such as a website redesign, a product launch, or a marketing campaign, should have its own dedicated board. This strategy helps keep each project organized and easy to track. Within each board, add groups for different phases like planning, in progress, and completed. This categorization will give you a clear visual representation of where each task stands. To maintain consistency across all your project boards, use task columns like status, owner, due date, and priority. These columns ensure that everyone is on the same page regarding the progress and responsibilities of tasks. Moving on to one of the most exciting new features in 2025, Monday.com introduced the Portfolio Dashboard, which brings all your projects into a singular, centralized view. This feature is a game changer for project managers looking to have a holistic view of their progress. To create this dashboard, navigate to Dashboards, click on Add New, and select Portfolio. Once there, you can connect all your project boards, offering you a comprehensive overview of everything in one place. With your new Portfolio Dashboard, you have the opportunity to customize portfolio widgets to track various aspects of your projects. You'll find the Project Status Overview particularly useful. It shows the percentage complete across all your projects. The Timeline or Gantt view offers a combined look at all project timelines, and the Workload widget helps you monitor team capacity across different boards. For those keeping an eye on finances, the Budget Tracking widget lets you compare planned versus actual spend for each project. Additionally, the Milestones widget can help you identify key deadlines across projects, making sure nothing slips through the cracks. To utilize yet another powerful feature, consider setting up cross-board automations. These automations can connect different boards through triggers and actions, such as notifying the Portfolio Dashboard when a milestone is marked as done in a particular project. You might also set the system to alert a project manager if a task is overdue, or to mirror a completed status on the Portfolio Dashboard. Finally, managing dependencies across projects is crucial for seamless workflow. Use the Dependencies column to establish links between tasks in different projects. For instance, ensure that a design task in Project A finishes before starting a marketing campaign in Project B. This depends greatly on task completion, and the Portfolio Dashboard will visually display these connections for you to track conveniently. To balance your team's workload effectively, assign tasks using the People column within each board. Then, leverage the Workload widget in your Portfolio Dashboard to check if any team member is overloaded. Address potential imbalances by redistributing tasks across boards using the drag and drop feature to keep your team productive and stress-free. By following these steps, you'll effectively manage multiple projects in Monday.com using its latest features. Happy project managing!